Welcome to another video. My name is Sander and this is the busiest camping season so far. We are actually kicking off the season with an international trip. We have rented a camper van and we'll be exploring the south coast of beautiful Iceland. When we're back on Canadian soil, our trips here start at 6 Mile Lake Provincial Park. If you'd like to follow our adventures, please like this video as it will be pushed out to a larger audience, and really subscribe so you get notified of when we post new videos. Our second camping trip of the year, we're heading south to PRESQU'ILE Provincial Park. This year we will visit multiple campsites in ALGONQUIN, and Bog Lake is the first campground we're going to visit on the Highway 60. Last year of course we visited Canis Bay, video here, so now we're going to try a different campground on the Highway 60. For our next trip we're heading north and we're starting our trip at GRUNDY Provincial Park. Our second stop on this trip will be at Killarney Provincial Park. Now we made a video about this park, check out here. So in this video we'll pick a particular aspect of the park. We are then ending our trip at KILLBEAR Provincial Park. Now of course we made a video about the park last year, check it out here. So this time we'll specialize on the particular aspect of this amazing park. We are then headed to Rock Lake in ALGONQUIN Provincial Park, located just off Highway 60 on the south end of the park. And then we're heading for a weekend trip to MCRAE Provincial Park, located just outside of Aurelia. And then we're going around the ALGONQUIN Provincial Park. Our first stop on this trip is Bonnishare. Now of course we've done a Bonnishare video last year, check out the video here. But this time we'll specialize into a specific aspect of the park. The second stop on our going around ALGONQUIN trip is going to be actually in ALGONQUIN. It's going to be ACHRAY. It's on the east side of the park, very close to Bieber Canyon. High falls for natural water slide. It is non-hydro, but we're really looking forward to visiting this park again. The next stop on the going around ALGONQUIN trip is going to be Samuel du Champlain. Now we did go here for a day trip in our last video of Kios. Check out the video here where we went too big, but now we're going to stay and review the campground. And our last park around the ALGONQUIN trip is going to be Marten River Provincial Park. And then we're heading to Lake Superior Provincial Park. Our first stop is FAIRBANK Provincial Park. Our second stop on the Lake Superior trip is Pancake Bay Provincial Park. We're spending several nights at Lake Superior Provincial Park. It's an absolutely beautiful park. We've been there before, never made a video, but really looking forward to exploring this park further. And then we're ending our Lake Superior trip at CHUTES Provincial Park before we head back home. So as you can see, it's a very busy camping season. And again, we're only booking up to the beginning of September. We still have to book September and October. So if you'd like to follow our adventures, please like this video. It really helps pushing it out to a larger audience. And please subscribe as well so that you get notified when we post a new video. And in the meantime, if you're looking for additional parks, check out this video here where we visit the 10 best provincial parks